This is Scotland. What do you think of when you think of Scotland? The Forth Rail Bridge? The Loch Ness and spring water? Wind power? Bad weather? Thistles? Perhaps you think of lakes? Perhaps you think of the sheep grazing peacefully on the mountainside? Maybe it's the Angus beef and the Highland cows. Or maybe it's the NC 500, some of Britain's best biking roads.
Morning. So it is coming up 4:30. I am waiting outside the back of a funeral director's. Just here. Not even can see because it's very dark. Yep, Martin should be joining shortly. I listen up to the old V-twin pop bang bang up the road.
Hey! We're currently doing the NC 500. We started in Kent and we're heading up to Inverness. I am Matt.
I'm Martin. Dan.
And these are our beasts. Mine, the Triumph Tiger 800. Dan, do you want to talk about yours for a sec?
Versus 650.
Right, and Martin's got the
Ducati Monster.
which is obviously designed perfectly for this journey.
Easily the wrong bike.
He was like one day away from just like strapping a bin bag to it and filling it with stuff. Well, currently we are over a quarter, no, probably over a third, isn't it?
But there. The blue dot.
You can't see it. We'll add that in afterwards. We started here, and now we are here.
We are just north of Leeds.
North of Leeds, there you go. So currently morale is, I'd say, quite high. Morale's quite good, isn't it? We're all feeling quite cheerful.
Yeah. Arse is good. It's a nice straight up to Newcastle, which is good.
Yeah, that's where we're stopping for lunch. And, well, there'll be some fun and games. Well, we've just stopped in Newcastle and
Hello.
hello, how you feeling, Martin?
Like, I've just got out of bed. Brilliant.
How do you really feel?
Like, probably like a 70-year-old man.
Wrinkly.
Yeah.
How you feeling, Dan?
Rock and roll, man.
Feeling good?
Yeah, I'm going to get in here and go for a nap.
In here. Just in there.
Just, it's cosy.
Yeah.
It's warm and cosy.
Yeah, man.
That's what we like.
We've made the witchy, not the one in Maidstone.
Yes, we are in near Newcastle.
If I was navigating, it'd be the wheat sheep in Maidstone.
At least we wouldn't feel so tired.
Right. I'm going to take.
There's his helmet. Look at that.
Look at that. That says
Scratches.
Hadley David's son.
Hadley Ravidson.
That's it, yeah.
Hadley
It's not
Ravidson.
Harley Davidson.
Well, we're in the Highlands. Dalwhinnie service station. It's the last petrol station for 55 miles, which is basically from here to Inverness. It is cold. We are wet. We are sore. You can't hear, but Martin is talking on the intercom saying that he agrees and he's very wet. How you doing, buddy?
How's it going? It's yeah.
It's yeah, you heard it here first. Oh, look at the view though.
I'm putting my waterproof on.
We had to be there by 10 o'clock today for our hotel. 5 hours ago, we were 5 hours away from 10 o'clock. It was 5 o'clock. Now we are expected to get there at 9:15. So we're doing okay, but it's been really tough going. I think everyone's a bit tired, a bit sore. It started to rain again. So let me go for a sneaky wee in the bushes. Maybe turn your intercom off though. I don't want to hear that. Let's turn that off so I can't hear him. And we'll check in with you when we get there. Hair and makeup department here. Well, we've literally just arrived. The time now is 9:30. 9:37. We set off at 5 o'clock this morning. In fact, the other two set off earlier to get to me. So we've just arrived. Status report. Physically,
I'm aching. Longest ride of my life.
So
Yeah.
neck hurts, knees hurt,
Back.
back hurts, butt hurts. Martin's gone to go check us in.
Yes.
Because we did make it in time. We made it in time. So
We
now,
did.
now we're just gonna
Figure out what we're going to do for dinner because apparently we are kind of far away from everywhere else.
Yeah.
Food and drink related.
So we're gonna figure out some food and whatnot.
Yes.
Stay tuned for later on. There's another part of this video coming. We'll be testing local cuisine.
Yeah, we
Anyway, when Martin gets back, we're gonna probably chill out and stay tuned.
Yep, so day two I've taken over doing a bit of a video as our usual presenter is dead. Yeah, he's
I'm alive.
no, he's alive really, but it does look bad when you get cars coming from the opposite direction and they see him laying down and us standing here pointing. Poor Matt is trying to get up. He's giving it a go and all the cars are still going past thinking they're not helping him. But
Videoing it.
we're just videoing, pointing him up. So we have stopped in a nice little thing, absolutely beautiful. The roads have been nice and sweet, but a little bit bumpy, shall we say. Bumpy, yeah. Still very good road. Lovely. Just walk to the right. What's that down there? What's that? Look there. There'll be a hitchhiker in the back of my tyre. Yeah. So, but it's acting as a plug. I have some jalopy, fried jalopy, which my friend kindly gave me. She knew my reputation for the punches. Must just be unlucky. So yeah, we'll keep that in mind, enjoy ourselves, and fill it up and find a petrol station. So, living the dream.
So there's been a slight development in things that are going on. Dan's got a bit of an issue with his bike chain. His it's basically had it. Tell us about the chain.
It makes noises it shouldn't make and goes clunk, 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 clunk.
Which is not good.
But got here so far. I've had a chat with it, and yeah, we're just going to go from there and just communicate. Just communicate.
It's good. Go to Dr. Martin, the bike doctor. Martin, what are your thoughts on the chain?
Yeah, it'll be fine. A seized chain, 1,000 miles to go. What could go wrong?
What's the worst that could happen? So, all joking aside, we're genuinely a bit concerned. So, so what's this space? Hopefully, we'll be all right. He's got AA anyway. Be all right.
Yeah, yeah, one of them's got. Sure, yeah, there's issues. There's breakdown somewhere.
Let's have a look at it up close.
Let's try. It's wet. Look, it's probably unseized now.
Yeah, it's got a lot quieter.
It's been a bit lubed up
Look at
this
that
morning.
one. That one there, look. See, I bet that one bends up just ever so slightly. Still.
That might be the same one that we looked at. But if it's slightly, we've only just come down the road.
Yeah, hopefully we'll be all right. But
We'll just keep moving.
yeah, so stay tuned. Another new development. My horn's fallen off. Don't know when or where, but see the wires. That's where the wire should attach to the horn, and that is where the horn should be. So
Just
have to shout at people.
I've got nothing wrong with my bike.
Hey Dan, how's your brake pads?
Doing good, thanks.
Yeah.
How's your indicator? I left that home. I realised
So, yeah.
I don't need it anymore.
We'll just have to shout, I guess.